Many as 400,000 policyholders could lose their property insurance coverage in Florida. It comes as the state lost 3 companies and is on the verge of losing a 4th. New at 5, Action News Jack's Jake Stofan tells us the property insurance crisis was primarily a South Florida problem for years, but it's now impacting the First Coast.
Homeowners in Northeast Florida are now being subjected to double-digit rate hikes that had once been reserved to places like Miami. And lawmakers say without a special session, things are only going to get worse. Ronnie Roan is 78. He lives on Social Security and works here and there to make ends meet. So when he was told he'd be seeing his homeowner's insurance increase by $600 this year, it hurt.
Half our Social Security would go towards medicine and stuff, and then the extra $600 would help.
And Ronnie is far from alone. Rising rates in Northeast Florida are driving more and more Duval residents to the state's insurer of last resort. Citizens Insurance has seen its number of Duval policies double over the last year.
What started out as being a South Florida issue has started to, work its way throughout the state.
State Senator Jeff Brandes says Florida's private insurance market is on life support. He's initiated a call for a special session to help stop the bleeding.
The legislature is either going to get our arms around this or the whole market's going to start shutting down.
Brandes says even with a special session, any reforms will take between 18 and 24 months to actually affect rates. But he says waiting is no longer an option.
Let's get started right now. Let's make this the primary focus of everything that we're dealing on. This is quickly becoming the #1 issue and the #1 challenge facing the state of Florida.
2/3 of lawmakers from both chambers will have to agree to the special session if it's to be called. They have until Monday to do so, but we'll get a first glimpse at who's voted yes sometime later this evening. For local coverage you can count on the South Side, I'm Jake Stofan, Action News Jack.